Is your online broker holding your money hostage? Ever felt like the big banks are nickel and diming you with their investment fees? You're not alone. That's why online brokerages like Questrade have become increasingly popular. But with all the options out there, a crucial question pops up: is Questrade actually a bank? This question might seem simple, but it can significantly impact your investment experience. Let's dive deeper and explore the world of online brokerages versus traditional banks, all while uncovering the truth about Questrade's independence. The bank labyrinth, where fees lurk. Think about your typical bank. They offer a variety of services, from checking accounts to mortgages. But when it comes to investing, banks often push their own investment products, which can be expensive and may not align with your goals. Plus, traditional investment accounts at banks often come with hefty fees for trades, account maintenance, and inactivity. These fees can silently eat away at your returns over time. Imagine trying to climb a mountain of profits, only to be weighed down by a backpack full of bank charges. Not exactly an ideal scenario, right? Enter the online brokerage, a streamlined investment path. Online brokerages like Questrade offer a different approach. They specialize in providing a platform for you to buy and sell investments, focusing on stocks, ETFs, and other securities. Unlike banks, online brokerages typically don't offer traditional banking services like checking accounts or loans. The key benefit? Lower fees. Online brokerages often have significantly lower trading commissions and account maintenance fees compared to banks. This allows you to keep more of your hard-earned money invested and working for you. So, is Questrade in cahoots with the banks? Absolutely not. Questrade is, in fact, an independent online brokerage firm. They're not owned or affiliated with any major bank. This means they're not beholden to pushing specific investment products or inflating fees. Their focus is on providing a user-friendly platform and competitive rates to help you grow your wealth. Think of it this way: imagine Questrade as a sleek, high-speed train taking you towards your investment goals. Traditional banks, on the other hand, might be like a rickety old bus, riddled with detours and unnecessary stops that cost you extra. Beyond fees, what else makes Questrade stand out? While lower fees are a major advantage, Questrade offers other features that can enhance your investing experience. Here are a few. User-friendly platform. Their platform is designed to be accessible for both beginners and seasoned investors. Research tools. Questrade provides a variety of research tools to help you analyze potential investments. Fractional shares. You can invest in expensive stocks like Amazon or Tesla by buying just a portion of a share. Investment options. Questrade offers a wide range of investment products, including stocks, ETFs, options, and Forex. The takeaway: invest on your terms. By choosing an independent online brokerage like Questrade, you're taking control of your investment journey. You're opting for a platform that prioritizes your needs and helps you reach your financial goals without getting bogged down by unnecessary fees. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your money. Now that you know Questrade isn't a bank and offers a potentially more cost-effective way to invest, you can make informed decisions about your financial future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.